How to remove Temu minimum purchase limit. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the fin option. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're on this page, at the top right you're gonna find this headphone kind of icon. Click on that. You will be directed to the support page. Now at the bottom you will see the option of Contact Us. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find this message box at the bottom. Over there type in please remove minimum purchase limit and then send it. With that, Temu customer service will get back to you. Now I can start a conversation with Temu customer service regarding the topic to remove Temu minimum purchase limit for your account. Provide the valid reasons why do you want to remove the Temu minimum purchase limit. Once they are satisfied with the reason, they will remove the minimum purchase limit. So that's how you can easily remove Temu minimum purchase limit. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.